I was watching the lock-picking lawyer recently, and I noticed that he had a very similar lock to me, if not the same lock, and he used his own device that he's made himself, which he sells, to hack or pick this lock with, and I thought I would give it a go too. Bear in mind the difference between me and the lock-picking lawyer is the lock-picking lawyer has thousands of hours worth of practice and is pretty much nigh on a professional, and I am an absolute beginner, level 1, hacking the easy stuff. So I'll give it a go anyhow. So we know the combination currently is 4679. I know it's that because I've just actually done this on camera and it took me a little bit longer than I anticipated, so I'm hoping to get through it a little bit quicker this time. What we need to do is change the combination to something I don't know, and what we need to do, open it up, and in the back here you will see this little lever. I need to push that in and lock it down like that, and now I can change the dials to whatever I want. Now I'll make sure that they are at least sat in home somewhere, and once I'm happy that they're all in a home, I'll release it. Now I'm going to shut the lock, and now I'm going to do the combination. I now do not know the combination to this lock. Now can I get in the bugger? Now hopefully a little bit quicker than last time. Now the idea is to lift the bar in there, and what I was struggling with last time was holding the right tension on the bar and getting the right tension on these dials. And for some reason the last dial I couldn't get any tension on it, so I must have been doing something wrong with these earlier three. So let's dive straight in, let's lift this bar and see if I can get some tension going and get this lock picked. I can't even find the bar. Come on, Matt. There we are. Oh. Maybe I've picked it too many times. There we go. I think the first number is 5. Five. How weird. Come off the bar. Better. 5544. There we go. A little bit quicker than last time. Yeah, but it's definitely taken a toll on my pick. But yeah, I got it. So there we are. New combination is 5544. That is worth very little practice, very little knowledge, and just copying somebody on YouTube. This lock is a very expensive lock, and I will put the price somewhere of this lock on the screen now. Well, there you go. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, I am a novice. Yes, I was fingers and thumbs, but it was slightly quicker than last time. But it's not my best effort, but it was a good effort, and I did get within a couple of minutes, 5 minutes maybe. I don't know, 4 minutes. I'll put the time here as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, one lock, budget lock. There you go. Don't buy super cheap locks. It might look good, it bloody well isn't.